Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you must be knowing that 18 people so far they have died due to the stampede which happened at New Delhi station, platform number 14, and there was a petition moved by Arth Vidi in the backdrop of the recent stampede, which caused the death of 18 people at NDLS. So today, Delhi High Court uh, they stated to the Indian Railways that why did they sell excess number of tickets. Many of you must have traveled in the trains, and you must be knowing the concept of RAC and waiting list as well. And due to the ongoing Mahakumbh, there was various videos were circulated in the social media where you must have seen that lots of people were struggling trying to get into the train, and there were a lot of people in a single platform, due to which stampede was happened. So Delhi High Court on Wednesday sought the response of Union Government, Indian Railways, and Railway Board on a public interest litigation. So you must be knowing that if you want to file a PIL in the High Court, then you go to under Article 226, and if you want to file PIL to the Honorable Supreme Court, then you should go under Article 32. Those are the provisions which are very relevant when it comes to PIL. Also, they the main prayer which was in the PIL was to prevent future stampedes similar to one happened recently at NDLS. So during the hearing of the PIL, the division bench of Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyay and Justice Tushar Rao questioned the railways for selling tickets in excess number of passengers that could can be accommodated in a coach. So what were the sayings of the Honorable Justice was, if you fix the number of passengers to be accommodated in a coach, then why do you sell? Why the number of tickets sold exceed that number? And that is a problem, the court said. So, in particularly, the court emphasized on Section 57 of Railways Act, which mandates that the administration shall fix the maximum number of passengers which may be carried in a compartment. So, Section 57 of Railways Act is important, and which was constantly discussed in this particular case. Also, there was a so the station was overcrowded due to the ongoing rush of the people to take part in the Mahakumbh in Uttar Pradesh. Just now you mentioned. Also, the PIL was filed through Advocate Aditya Trivedi, and he said various legal provisions and rules under the Railways Act should be implemented properly to prevent such incidents in future. Also, you must be knowing that there was a stampede in the Mahakumbh itself, and many people died over there. So around 42 people died in the Mahakumbh just due to the stampede. And so in this particular case, they also highlighted the Section 57 and 157 of Railways Act. So airports, see, you must be knowing that airports, they have separate mechanisms to how many people they know that how many people are staying in the airport for a particular of time. But Indian Railways has no such mechanism. So once you enter to the airport, first you need to show your ticket, right? And if you don't have valid ticket, you don't get entry. That's for sure. But in Indian Railways, it's not like that. There is definitely no security whatsoever. If you go to any railway station, you can just enter from any side of the railway. So in that terms, they emphasize that there is no notification circular for unreserved class, and if railways is not following its own rules, then how can we expect security? Even I remember that I recently, I think, 4 months before, when I was going somewhere from the Delhi railway station, I literally took my bag inside the railway station and nobody checked my bag. So we don't have any security at the airport, at the railway stations. When we compare it with the airport, we there is a huge gap. So if we go to station right now, we will see a lot of crowd without platform ticket and train ticket. We all know that. We don't see any compliance with the railway circular requiring platform ticket. If railways had complied with its own rules, a lot of things could have been prevented. Because we have come in a larger public interest, I'm not commenting on. So this was a say from the person who filed PIL, and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, he appeared on the behalf of Indian Railways. He said that that this is the law and we are bound by it, and no mandamus needed for it. And so basically, next page is to direct railways to frame guidelines for issuance of general class unreserved ticket for benefit and safety of general people, and that was it. And the third prayer, was to direct compensation that has already been given. Of course, it cannot be enough. We respect laws of five infrastructure or implementation of roles in something unprecedented has its own limits. So this was it, and the code further instructed to file an affidavit in response to the reply, and this matter will be heard on 26 March. So that's it. From this particular case and from this particular point of view, you should emphasize on Section 57 and 157 of Railways Act, because in the future exams, if you are appearing for the CLAT PG or CLAT UG, or let's say any judicial examination, they could ask you the same question, because it's a very recent event. So that's it. Please do like and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.